Did you know these 5 simple glute exercises can help restore leg strength, improve balance, and make stairs feel easier again? Do these daily, and you may start feeling steadier, stronger, and more confident with every step. The 5th one is the most important. Skip it, and your lower body strength may continue declining faster than you think. Number 1, seated band abductions. Years of sitting slowly switch your glutes off. That's one of the biggest reasons stairs suddenly feel harder after 50. Weak outer glutes make your legs feel unstable when stepping upward. This movement strengthens the muscles that control balance and hip stability. Sit tall in a chair with a resistance band around your thighs. Slowly push your knees outward against the band, then return slowly. Do 15 reps. You'll feel the sides of your hips activate almost immediately, helping your legs feel more controlled and supported. Number 2, standing side leg lifts. Weak glutes don't just make stairs harder, they also affect your balance with every step. When the side hip muscles weaken, your knees and lower back start compensating. That's when climbing stairs begins to feel unstable and tiring. Standing side leg lifts strengthen the outer glutes that help keep your body steady and supported. Here's how to do it. Stand tall beside a wall or chair for balance. Slowly lift one leg out to the side without leaning your body. Pause briefly at the top, then lower with control. Do 10 to 12 reps per side. Number 3, the glute bridge. Most women lose hip strength gradually without realizing it, and that weakness shows up the moment you try climbing stairs. The glute bridge reactivates those muscles and helps take pressure off your knees. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Squeeze your glutes and slowly lift your hips upward. Pause for 2 seconds, then lower back down slowly. Do 12 to 15 reps. You'll feel the back of your hips working again, the exact muscles that help power you upstairs. Number 4, wall sit hold. This movement builds the kind of strength that keeps you steady on stairs for years. Static holds help strengthen the muscles around your hips and knees without constant movement. Stand against a wall and slowly slide down into a partial sitting position. Keep your back flat against the wall and hold. Start with 20 to 30 seconds. Your legs may shake. That's normal. This is how you rebuild endurance and stability in your lower body. Number 5, standing kickbacks. If you only do one movement from this video, make it this one. Most people focus only on their thighs, but weak glutes are often the real reason stairs become difficult. Standing kickbacks directly target the muscles responsible for pushing your body upward. Stand tall while holding onto a chair or wall. Slowly kick one leg straight behind you without arching your back. Squeeze your glute at the top, then lower slowly. Do 12 reps per side. You'll feel your glutes firing again, helping your body move with more power and less strain. Here's how to combine these exercises into a simple routine. Start with glute bridges for 15 reps. Then perform seated band abductions for 15 reps. Move into a 20 to 30 second wall sit hold and finish with standing kickbacks for 12 reps per leg. Do this consistently and climbing stairs can start feeling smoother, safer, and far less exhausting. If you want stronger legs and better balance after 50, watch this next video. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.